स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे इस YouTube चैनल में, जहां पे आज हम देखने वाले हैं एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 10, जिसका एम है चेक नंबर इज पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और जीरो. सो टू चेक नंबर इज पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और जीरो with the help of Python. Software is Visual Studio Code. For understanding of this particular practical, you have to understand the Python if-else statement, Python input-output, and import. So for this particular understanding, request to kindly watch the Python programming theory playlist from the particular channel. So first we understand what is positive number. So if number is greater than 0, then it indicate it's a positive number. If the number is a negative, it is less than 0, and this can be checked with the help of if else and if else, and second is using nested if. So let's try to understand this practical with the help of Visual Code. So first, using if alif, so first using if alif else condition. So this is the Python program to check number sign. So it is positive, negative or zero. So let's try to continue. First we create one variable, indicate its number. So it's given a float type with the input that it enter a number. Then we give a condition if number is greater than 0, then it indicate print positive number. Now second condition, if number equal to 0, then print it is 0. Then else print negative number. So let's mark in the inverted comma. So that is the program. So first we check whether it is a greater than 0, then indicate it's positive number. If equal to 0, then print 0, and otherwise it is a negative number. So let's try to first save this program, then run in this particular platform, python main.py, enter a number, let's say 5. So it is a positive number. If I have entered -5, it gives a negative number, and if I use 0, it indicate 0. So that is the first one with the help of if, alif and else condition. Now let's try to run the same program with the help of nested if. So let's try to run the same program with the help of nested if. Okay, this is the second Python program, check number sign. Now, okay, so in this case, similar way, we have created one variable number, the type float, input, enter a number, then if number is greater than equal to 0, then condition if number equal to 0, then it print 0. else print positive number. Okay, then else print negative number. So that is the condition. So this else for the earlier is this one, and this if else for this particular condition. So now with the help of nested if, we can also check the number sign. Okay, so let's try to run this program. Python main.py, enter a number similar file, then is a positive number. If I once again run and set -5, then it gives a negative number, and similarly you can check for the 0. So it gives a 0. So with the help of Python, we can able to check whether it is a 0, positive or negative number using nested if and if, elif and else condition. Hope you enjoyed this particular video. Request to kindly share this video with your colleagues, like the video and comment with any query or any feedback. Thank you.